plants face a unique challenge. They need energy to grow and survive, but they don't have mouths to eat food like animals do. Animals solve this problem by consuming other organisms. They use their mouths to eat external food sources. Plants, on the other hand, have evolved a remarkable solution. Instead of consuming food, they create it internally. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis. This remarkable adaptation means plants make their food internally rather than consuming it externally like animals do. This incredible process, called photosynthesis, is the plant's solution to the challenge of eating without a mouth. Plants need two main ingredients to make their food: carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Carbon dioxide enters the plant through tiny pores called stomata on the undersides of leaves. The plant essentially breathes in carbon dioxide instead of eating food. Water is absorbed through the plant's roots and travels up through vessels called xylem to reach the leaves. These raw materials will be transformed during photosynthesis into glucose and oxygen. The light-dependent reactions are the first stage of photosynthesis. These reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. In these membranes, chlorophyll molecules capture sunlight energy. This captured light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. During this process, water molecules are split, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. In summary, the light-dependent reactions capture solar energy and convert it into forms the plant can use for making food. The oxygen released during this process is the same oxygen we breathe, connecting plant photosynthesis directly to our survival. With ATP and NADPH now available, the plant is ready for the next phase of photosynthesis, the Calvin cycle. Plants don't immediately use all the glucose they produce during photosynthesis. Instead, they convert excess glucose molecules into a storage form called starch. This starch is stored in various plant parts: in roots, like potatoes and carrots; in stems, such as sugarcane; in fruits, including apples and bananas; and in seeds, like rice and wheat. When energy is needed, plants break down stored starch back into glucose. This storage system is crucial for plants' survival in various situations, such as during nighttime when photosynthesis stops, during winter months with less sunlight, for rapid growth and development, and to power seed germination, which requires energy before the new plant can photosynthesize. This storage system in plants is similar to how animals store energy. Just as animals store excess energy as fat, plants store their excess energy as starch. Plants have evolved different methods of photosynthesis to optimize efficiency in various environments. Adaptations allow plants to thrive in challenging environments like extreme heat or water scarcity. Let's examine how different environments present unique challenges for photosynthesis. Most plants use standard C3 photosynthesis, which works well in moderate climates with adequate water. In hot, sunny environments, C4 plants like corn have evolved a two-step process that reduces photorespiration, making photosynthesis more efficient when it's hot. Desert plants like cacti and succulents use CAM photosynthesis, opening their stomata at night to collect carbon dioxide while reducing water loss, then performing the Calvin cycle during the day with closed stomata. These adaptations dramatically improve water use efficiency, which is critical in water-limited environments. C4 plants can be twice as water efficient as C3 plants, while CAM plants can be up to 2.5 times more efficient. These diverse photosynthetic strategies show how plants have evolved different ways to eat depending on their habitat, highlighting the remarkable adaptability of photosynthesis as a feeding strategy.